Hi, my name is Alex, the founder and CEO of Kano. Kano is the simplest way to make a computer and learn to code. Our mission is to give all ages the power to create with technology, not just consume it. This course will empower teachers everywhere to use coding in the classroom. Soon, you'll be able to get young people to engage with coding through physical computing, use storytelling to make coding really fun, use simple steps so that learners understand what they create, and manage a classroom where learners play and explore at their own pace. We use research-backed, evidence-based tools to get to learning outcomes faster. And we break down topics into practical, bite-sized activities that you can start with right away. On this course, you will get plain English definitions of key terms, 21st century classroom activities to introduce the main themes, short, fun animations to explain key topics, and finally, we'll have real teachers delivering each activity in a live classroom. Each building block in the course is bite-sized, 3 minutes or less. We believe in keeping things simple, short, and effective. By the end of this course, you'll understand key terms and ideas. You'll be confident using coding to develop key 21st century skills like creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. You'll put this into practice yourself and learn from other teachers. Most importantly, you'll have the confidence to introduce coding in the classroom and inspire young learners to explore and problem solve themselves. No more boring professional learning. We're going to shake things up.